Today I will teach you how to install a battery in the Apex Force AF-S001. In this scenario, do not use a standard 11.1 stick battery. You would have to use a 11.1 what's it called again? Split battery. Okay? In this scenario, we are using the HRG one. You can buy it on our website for $35. First of all, you need to remove the two Allen screws on the handguard. As you can see here, I already removed it. Once it's removed, remove the handguard. As you can see here, make sure the wires are not snagged when you're removing it. Plug in your battery. Next, you will need to play with the wires. So the wires can go on the right side. Fatter side is on the top. Thinner side is on the bottom or the side. Let's put the wires right here. Balancing port can be tucked underneath or on the side. Orientation is as follows, like that, like that, like that. Alright. Once everything is done correctly, there shouldn't be any snagging on the actual battery or the wires. So as you can see, it smoothly goes in without any resistance. Once everything is good, you may insert the screws back in and you should be good to go. I will pause the video. Another pro tip to mention is the gas tube adjustment valve right here. Make sure this thing is horizontal, as you can see here, okay, and not vertical like so. That way the handguard won't get snagged while you put it back in. Another thing to note is some people might be worried that the battery might get shot out from a stray BB during play. If you're worried, what you can do is get a used Pepsi can, cut it out, make it flat, and fold it in half and use it as a shield on the inside. That way your battery has less of a chance of getting shots. Hope that helps. There we go, all good. Thank you.